The Great Depression explained with carrots. Imagine a giant bunny village, fluffy, prosperous, and absolutely obsessed with carrots. Carrots are money. Leaves, those are like carrot receipts, the currency rabbits trade when they don't want to carry actual carrots around. For years, everything is going great. Farmer Fluff grows carrots. Trader Bun swaps carrots. Banker Whiskers keeps stacks of leaves safe. Every bunny is hopping happily. But then, the problem begins. Rabbits start believing Farmer Fluff will grow infinite carrots. Infinite! They start borrowing leaves from Banker Whiskers to buy carrot farms, carrot houses, carrot hats, anything with carrot in the name. Prices keep rising, and every bunny thinks, wow, I'm basically a rich carrot king. But here's the twist. The carrot farms aren't actually producing that many carrots. It's a carrot bubble. Big, shiny, and full of nothing but rabbit hopes and crunchy dreams. Then one day, pop! Farmer Fluff announces, sorry everybody, the carrot harvest is terrible this year. Suddenly, rabbits realize they paid way too many leaves for farms that barely grow 3 sad, shriveled carrots. Panic erupts. Rabbits rush to Banker Whiskers yelling, "Give me my carrots!" Banker Whiskers yells back, "I don't have carrots. I only have your leaf receipts." The system jams. Leaves lose value. Carrot prices crash. Rabbits stop buying anything. Farmers can't sell. Closes close. The whole bunny economy goes into a carrot coma. That dark, crunchy drought, that's basically the Great Depression. Too many borrowed leaves, too much carrot optimism, and a sudden collapse when reality hit like a falling carrot crate. But don't worry, the bunny village eventually recovered. They planted smarter, saved more carrots, and stopped believing in magical infinite carrot farms. Moral of the story? Even bunnies need better budgeting and fewer carrot hats. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.